हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल। आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है पर यूनिट सिस्टम के बारे में। तो आज हम जानेंगे पर यूनिट सिस्टम क्या होता है और हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं पर यूनिट सिस्टम, इसके बारे में जानेंगे। पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहें दोस्तों। तो पर यूनिट सिस्टम क्या होता है? द पर यूनिट सिस्टम मीन्स इन ए लार्ज इंटरकनेक्टेड प्रोसेस ऑफ computation of power system problems. Sometimes it is more convenient to express impedances, currents, voltage and power in terms of per unit values rather than in ohms, ampere, volt and watt. So the numerical per unit value of any quantity is defined as the ratio of actual value to another arbitrary chosen value of quantity of the same dimension assumed as the base of the or reference. मीन्स पर यूनिट का मतलब आपके वोल्टेज को आप वोल्ट में मेज़र करते हैं, करंट को एम्पियर में मेज़र करते हैं, पावर को वाट में मेज़र करते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप मेज़र करते हैं, अलग अलग यूनिट डिफाइंड किया है। तो हम क्या है, पर यूनिट से सारे को एक कॉमन रेफरेंस पे ले आते हैं, बेस पे ले आते हैं, उसके थ्रू हम मेज़र करते हैं। तो पर यूनिट जो होता है वो क्या होगा, आपका जो पर यूनिट होगा, पर यूनिट वैल्यू दैट इज़ equal to defined as the ratio of actual value upon base value of same dimension So that is called the per unit value. Next, come to the topic that is the base and per unit values in a single phase system. So we have calculated the per unit values for a single phase system. So let us selected the base quantities. So the base quantities, that is base voltage equal to VB, base current is equal to IB, base VA is equal to VA, B base is equal to SB, where SB is equal to VB into IB. Similar, base impedance that is ZB is equal to VB upon IB. Next, base current IB is equal to SB upon VB. Now base impedance that is ZB. In previous we have calculated the base impedance, that is ZB is equal to VB by IB, VB upon IB. So we can write like ZB is equal to, here you can see that here, that is the value of IB is equal to what? SB upon VB. So put this value in this equation. So we can write VB upon IB is equal to SB upon VB. So that is equal to VB square upon SB. So we can write SB is equal to MVA base value. So and VB is equal to kilovolt base value, and so base impedance ZB is equal to kV base whole square upon MVA base. Here put these values of SB and VB in the equation this. So here we put the value of SB and VB. So ZB is equal to KV, ZB is equal to KV square upon MVA base. That is the important formula to calculate the base impedance. ये important है आपके base impedance calculate करने के लिए. ZB जो होगा equal to होगा किलोवोल्ट का whole square upon MVA. Next, ZB is equal to VB upon IB. So we can write that is KV base upon KA base, and base current is KA base equal to MVA base upon KV base. So in actual impedance Z ohm, its per unit value is given by, so if actual impedance is Z ohms, its per unit value is given by that is Z per unit is equal to actual value upon base value. So that is Z per unit is equal to, we can actual value of impedance is Z, and its base value you can write like this upon ZB. So that is Z is equal to, we can write Z per unit is equal to Z upon ZB. We have calculated the value of ZB base impedance value in the previous case. We have calculated that is kilovolt whole square base upon MVA base. So Z per unit is equal to Z into MVA base upon kilovolt whole square. So that is the important formula for the Z per unit impedance value. Now come to the topic, that is per unit voltage. So next topic is per unit voltage. Next, so we know that V per unit is equal to, what is that? That is actual value Y upon base value. So actual value is V and base value is VB. Next, similar way, I per unit is equal to, actual value is I and base value is IB. So complex power we can write like this, complex power S is equal to P plus JQ. So S per unit value is actual value upon base value, actual value upon base value. So here what is actual value? Actual value is S and base value is SB. So S per unit is equal to, we can write P plus JQ upon SB. So we can write P upon SB plus JQ upon SB, that is S per unit. So here you can write S per unit is equal to P per unit plus JQ per unit. P per unit is equal to, we know that P per unit is equal to P upon SB. So we can suppose that this value and this value. So P upon SB, here P upon SB is equal to P per unit. Similar way, Q per unit is equal to Q upon SB. So here P upon SB means P upon MVA base, and here Q upon MVA base. Here P is equal to, we know that power is equal to VI cos phi. So P per unit is equal to P upon SB, we can write like this. So the value of P is equal to VI cos phi upon SB. So P per unit is equal to VI cos phi, and SB we can write like this, VB into IB. So we can write VB into IB in place of SB. Now P per unit is equal to V upon VB, I upon IB into cos phi. So V upon VB, that is actual value upon base value of voltage. So we can write like this, V per unit, and I upon IB is equal to the actual value upon actual value upon base value of I per unit. So you can write like this, I per unit into cos phi. So that is P per unit. So this one is the important for calculation of P per unit. Next is, that is Z is equal to R plus JX, we know that. So Z per unit is equal to actual value upon base value. So we can write like this, Z upon ZB, and here Z value is R plus JX. So we can write like this, R plus JX upon ZB. So Z per unit is equal to R upon ZB plus JX upon ZB. So Z per unit is equal to R per unit plus JX per unit, where R per unit is equal to R upon ZB, where X per unit is equal to X upon ZB. So that is the important for this. Next topic is per unit representation of transformer. So here the transformer is that and secondary side voltage V2, and primary side voltage is V1, and current is I1. In this case current is I2, and polarity positive negative, positive negative, and dot convention is there, and ratio N1 is to N2 turns ratio. So in this case we have calculated the per unit representation of transformers. So base values are, that is V1B, V2B, and I1B, and I2B. That is the base value. So V2 upon V1 is equal to N2 upon N1 is equal to I1 upon I2 equal to K. That is the transformation ratio. So V2B upon V1B, so I1B is equal to I1B upon I2B is equal to K. So V2B is equal to K into V1B, we can write like this. So I2, similar way I2B is equal to, here you can this use equation, I2B is equal to I2B is equal to I1B upon K. Similar way V1 per unit is equal to, we can write actual value by base value, so V1 upon V1B. Similar way V2 per unit is equal to actual value upon base value, so V2 upon V2B. So V2 we can write like K V1 upon K V1B. So and this value is equal to, we know that, what is that, that is equal to the V1 per unit. So V2 per unit is equal to V1 per unit is equal to V per unit. That is the both primary, secondary and V per unit are equal. Hence the voltages are same. Voltages are same in per unit. That's why we say that the per unit all the voltages are equal. Next is I1 per unit is equal to I1 actual value upon base value I1B. Similar way I2 per unit is equal to I2 upon I2B. That is equal to, we can write like I2 is equal to I1 upon K, or I2 is equal to I1B upon K. That is equal to, so I2 per unit is equal to I1 per unit, and that is equal to I per unit. So that is the important. Here all the currents are same in per unit. Next, base impedance Z1B is equal to V1B upon I1B. So Z2B is equal to V2B upon I2B is equal to K V1B upon I2B is equal to I1B upon K. So that is equal to K square V1B upon I1B. That is Z2B. So Z2B is equal to, we can write like K square upon K square into Z1B. That is the equation. So we know that the leakage impedance of primary is, Z1 is equal to R plus jx1, and leakage impedance of secondary is Z2 is equal to R2 plus jx2. So total impedance refer to primary, total impedance impedance refer to primary that is Z01 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 dash and Z01 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 upon K square. So per unit impedance refer to primary Z1 per unit is equal to Z01 upon Z1B, and that is equal to, we can write like this, Z1 plus Z2 by K square upon Z1B. So total impedance refer to secondary, total impedance refer to secondary, that is Z02 is equal to Z1 dash plus Z1 dash plus Z2 and Z02 is equal to K square, Z1 dash K square Z1 plus Z2. So per unit impedance refer to secondary, so the Z2 per unit is equal to Z02 upon Z2B, and Z02 is equal to K square Z1 plus Z2 upon K square Z1B, and Z2 per unit is equal to Z1 plus Z2 upon K square divided by Z1B. So Z2 per unit is equal to Z1 per unit is equal to Z per unit. So the per unit values of equivalent circuit, per unit equivalent valent circuit of transformer is V per unit, Z per unit and I per unit. So that is the equivalent circuit of the transformer. So the next is the base VA. So S1B is equal to V1 V I1 V. S2B is equal to V2B I2B. So S2B is equal to K into V1B into I1B upon K. So S2B is equal to V1B into I1B. So S2B is equal to S1B is equal to SB, that is MVA. So all are here equal, all are here are equal. So VA will same on both the side. So this is all about the per unit system. I have left the topic of per unit three-phase system and the change of base. So we will discuss in the next topic and the next video. So उम्मीद है इस छोटे से वीडियो से आपको पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गई होगी दोस्तों. So please like and subscribe my channel Basic Electrical. Thank you very much.